A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The spirit of solidarity and faith was palpable on the way to the Basilica of Our Lady of Los Angeles in Cartago in the hot weekend of Saturday 27 and Sunday 28 July. Children and young people from the youth groups at the Don Bosco Center and Paris Zeledon have joined in an apostolate dedicated to pilgrims who travel long distances every year to pay tribute to the Virgin of Los Angeles, patron saint of Costa Rica, in the so-called Romeria. The pilgrimage, a tradition deeply rooted in Costa Rican culture, sees thousands of faithful walk from their homes to the Basilica. The 22nd National Meeting of Salesian Youth Ministry Coordinators took place on 26 and 27 July at the structures of the Salesian University Foundation in Bogota. The event was held with the aim of strengthening the formation itineraries around a pastoral care that educates to love, with a current interpretative key based on listening to and welcoming the needs of the boys, girls and young people of the works of the Salesians of Don Bosco SDP and the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians FMA of Colombia. The meeting was attended by 82 people, including lay people, the FMA and the SDP, who met in different formative moments. In a devastating turn of events, massive landslides in Wayanad district, Kerala, have claimed at least 200 lives and left hundreds missing. The disaster has struck with overwhelming force, leaving entire communities in ruins. In response to the crisis, Don Bosco College, Sultan Bathri, the Salesian college in closest proximity to this tragedy, with the support of Brett's Bangalore, is stepping up to offer crucial support. Don Bosco College Sultan Bathri is focused on providing immediate relief to those affected. Their efforts include distributing essential supplies, coordinating rescue operations and planning for long-term recovery. In the past week, the Bosco Tech Facebook page has featured stories on tech students engaged in various industries, students intern opportunities. These summer opportunities allow students to apply their technical knowledge in real-world settings, develop confidence in their knowledge and skills, and reinforce their dreams of future careers. In the following lines, the reader will recognize the great value of a Salesian education in preparing students for future success. A meeting of Salesians Information 2024 held at the Salesian Pius XI Theologate in Alto da Lapa, Sao Paulo was an event characterized by great joy and enthusiasm. The meeting, which took place from 22nd to 27 July, brought together 27 Salesians Information of the Salesian province of Sao Paulo, Brazil, PSP, who are carrying out the pre-novitiate, post-novitiate, practical training and theology phases, and who have together explored this year's theme, Vulnerability and Abuse, a Preventive Look. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.